Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE 5 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find more security and privacy. Scroll down again and localize installation sources. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from, for example, the Chrome. So we have to find it in the list and then tap on this switcher. Your device will ask you whether you really want to do it, because you have to be aware you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Just tap on allow, and now the Chrome is allowed to install some content. And of course you can always remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.